How to build a conviction behind every trade using fundamentals. Let's jump in. This week we had GBP USD longs on our short list, and we executed this trade for 50 pips. Why we picked GBP USD out of the whole market? On Thursday morning, we had UK GDP recovering with a print of 1.4%, beating the expectations, beating the previous release, which was 0.7, which pushes pound higher, naturally gives strength to the pound because of the higher growth. On the other hand, later that day, we had US CPI cooling off with a print of 3% and beating the expectation lower, beating the previous release, which was 3.3%. You can see it right here. That pushes the pressure on the Fed to lower interest rates sooner than later, which will give us a lower dollar. Going over the fundamentals, going over to Macronomics, we can see here we need to put on a risk-on scenario because we have a lower dollar with that lower inflation print, which gives us the GBP USD buy signal, and there is our execution point. On the charts, like this is the US CPI, and we got the trade on Friday morning because going over on the lower time frames, you can see that this is the spike on the release and price retracing, trying to retest this level, creating a nice support area here. And when on London Open on Friday it couldn't break, that was our signal to get in our long position because the bias was still there. And this is why we use fundamentals, because we know that the strength is here, the overall direction of the market is to the upside. So now we are looking just on technical entry to push that bias in our favor. If you want to trade in line with fundamentals and you want to put fundamentals in your trading arsenal, join Macronomics.